Using your favorites list is a great way to save time when shopping on AEXpress.com. Save the items that you order most often so that you can find them quickly next time that you need to shop. Adding an item to your favorites list is easy. First, go to the product detail page of the item you'd like to add. Once on the product detail page, simply click the star next to Add to Favorites. To navigate to your favorites list, either click on the heart icon in the right upper corner of the header, or navigate to the My Account space and then choose Favorites List. Once in your favorites list, you simply add the items that you choose to your cart from the favorites list. Another feature is the ability to change the quantity of items to be added to the cart. Simply change the quantity, amount, update, and the next time you add the item to your cart, it will be added in the quantity you defined. And that's how simple it is to save time while shopping on AEXpress.com.